Yo, what's up guys? So we back at it again. I know that it's been a couple of days since we dropped or posted anything on Instagram, but the wait is over, guys. I actually have been doing a little bit of moving some stuff around to see if we can get our little area or our little studio area right here a little better just for you guys. With that said, actually I did post the other day that we actually hit on those Jordan 11 25th anniversary, guys, and actually they are right here. So with that said, guys, we're about to open these up. I also have two more videos because we actually got our hands on those midnight navies. I can't believe I got my hands on them early today. With that said, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get into this box. This up from the door and I'm beyond excited. So let's open right here. Open right here. All right. I don't want to hit that the box. It's always a fear. All right. All right. Here we go. Whoa. I don't have a box like this. Wow. This is beautiful. Let's get rid of that. Wow. That is nice. I don't even know where to start. And my box isn't that bad. I actually saw a review earlier with some other people about it, and it was a little odd, but let's get into it. So yeah, like I was saying, we got the Jumpman right in the middle as well. These weird eyelets as it opens up. As you guys can see as well, we got the Jordan written from 1995 to 2020. Wow. Okay, all right, well, let's get to it. And get the other one. I actually saw a video where some guy had socks in his, so I don't know. I thought mine was gonna come with the socks as well, but I guess that was some other thing. I don't know. Either way, I'm very happy with this. I love this box. This box is really, really cool. We're back at it again, guys. Beautiful shoe. Let's get straight into it. So we have that upper black mesh leather on the uppers as well as on the back. It has this very nice leather on it. On the back of it, you see that 23. Once again, personally, I like 23 over 45. That was whack, honestly, but I mean, MJ still, but personally I like these a lot. I thought I wasn't actually gonna like these. Are actually I'm not even gonna cap, guys. These are my first pair of 11s. As a kid, I always used to look at all the let's say not so great role models in the neighborhood that had these on, and I used to always want a pair of these. These were so cool. The one thing that I think that sticks out the best, which is really cool, guys, is Jordan. Tinker really wanted to have Jordan's name on the Jordan 11 as one of his original ideas. Of course, that never went through. But on this pair, the 25th anniversary, they have been able to go through with it. We have that beautiful white bottom and that carbon fiber as well. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, these cool Jordan eyelid written initials on the side are really dope. I personally thought when I first saw it, it wasn't gonna be that cool, but I really like this shoe. After having this shoe in hand, I'm super impressed by it. I'm very happy with it. Now Jordan does have a special Jordan 11 that comes out every single year. This was the one that they decided for this year. There is another one, so stay around. I might get my hands on those. Hopefully I can bring those to you guys. Those are gonna be the Jordan 11 adapts, but we don't know yet. Anyways, guys, like I was saying, this shoe's fire. I personally like this shoe. I like the feeling of it. So guys, now how we can see right here, I circled the small part of a scuff on the patent leather that I had. It's very insignificant, but it is there. I believe my camera was just good enough to catch that. Now moving forward, guys, with this beautiful black patent leather on the Jordan with the round laces, and that leather part with Jordan written in the middle of the laces as well. A beautiful black upper mesh that is not like the Concord 11 and will not yellow, which is so much better. And of course, guys, as we come around, we see that beautiful Jumpman attached to the leather. It looks metallic, but it's actually plastic-like as well. As you guys see, that higher uppercut patent leather and that 23 on the back. Of course, the Jumpman on the sole and that 25 for the 25th anniversary Jordan 11. Now, hopefully the only thing that I'm really concerned of regarding that Jumpman is that after wearing it several times, I'm a little afraid that it might come off. As you guys can see on my Jumpman, for some reason at the factory, I don't know why, they left that little bit of glue mark on the side. This is my personal pair. I do not plan on reselling this. I plan on keeping these solely because there is no real large resale on these shoes. The box itself has my personal size, which is a size 9.5. I do sometimes wear a 10, but specifically in Jordan 11, I thought I'd go with a 9.5 to feel much of a tighter fit. And of course, as you guys can see, the retail price is $220. Make sure to let me know if you guys are going to get them down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about them. Tell me if you're gonna cop them on the 12th or not. Just let them pass. Guys, make sure to like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Hit that bell to stay tuned with all the notifications that we are gonna continue posting. Like I said, much love, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.